The iPhone 17 Pro takes it to another level with a next-generation liquid metal frame, enhancing durability while reducing weight. But the iPhone 16 Pro introduced a refined titanium frame, making it both lightweight and durable. The iPhone 16 Pro already had ultra-thin bezels, but the iPhone 17 Pro shrinks them even further, nearly achieving a true edge-to-edge display. And if you love the matte finish on the 16 Pro, the 17 Pro takes it further with a nano-textured coating to improve grip and reduce fingerprints. Displays have always been a stronghold for Apple. The iPhone 16 Pro featured a 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch promotional display with a peak brightness of 2,500 nits. The iPhone 17 Pro takes it up a notch with a new Ultra Retina XDR display, pushing brightness beyond 3,000 nits for even better outdoor visibility. But the real game changer, a 1 Hz to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The iPhone 16 Pro had 1 Hz to 120 Hz, but with 144 Hz support, gaming and animations will be smoother than ever before. Performance. The iPhone 16 Pro debuted the A18 Pro chip, delivering unparalleled efficiency and speed. Now, meet the A19 Pro chip, built on a groundbreaking 10 nanometers process. This means faster performance, lower power consumption, and an even more powerful neural engine for AI-driven tasks. Geekbench scores already suggest the iPhone 17 Pro is at least 30% faster in CPU tasks and 40% faster in GPU rendering compared to the 16 Pro. This makes it an absolute powerhouse for mobile gaming, video editing, and AI-powered features. It's the camera system. The iPhone 16 Pro introduced the 48-megapixel main sensor with a periscope telephoto lens. The iPhone 17 Pro takes this even further with a groundbreaking 64-megapixel main sensor, larger pixel sizes for better low-light performance, and an AI-driven computational photography engine. A 10 times periscope zoom lens double the capability of the 16 Pro. Whether you're capturing distant landscapes or zooming into fine details, the clarity is unparalleled. And let's not forget the front camera. With a 24-megapixel upgrade and improved low-light performance, selfies and video calls will be sharper than ever. Battery life has always been a key concern for users. The iPhone 16 Pro delivered excellent battery life, but the iPhone 17 Pro takes things further. With a larger 4,500 mAh battery and more efficient A19 Pro chip, Apple claims up to 8 hours more screen on time. Charging gets an upgrade too. While the iPhone 16 Pro supported 27-watt wired charging, the iPhone 17 Pro now boasts 40-watt wired and 20-watt MagSafe charging. Say goodbye to long charging times. With iOS 18 launching alongside the iPhone 17 Pro, expect game-changing AI integration. While the iPhone 16 Pro introduced on-device Siri enhancements, the 17 Pro brings real-time AI-powered photo and video editing, smarter Siri suggestions, and even AI-generated wallpapers that adapt to your environment.